So you might be in a situation where for some reason ChatGPT is just not going through and basically generating any type of responses. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. First things first, the main thing you want to go and do is make sure that you have some sort of internet connection on your device. So just go through, make sure you have some sort of Wi-Fi connection or cell connection. That can usually be one of the main issues that you may run into here. So try going through making sure that none of those things are issues. If you can verify that you have some sort of Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or cell connection, the next thing you're going to want to do is just go through and just try seeing if you can retype the prompt. Sometimes the prompt may just end up taking some time to generate. It might just have to kind of just load for a little bit. So give it some time, just let it load for a little bit and see if that ends up fixing the problem in any way. Now, if that still doesn't work, the next thing you might want to try doing is to go through and see if you can actually update ChatGPT. Sometimes all you're going to have to do is just go ahead and search up ChatGPT inside of your app store like this. Go ahead and try opening it up. And all you're going to want to do is see if you can actually go through and basically like update ChatGPT. Sometimes that's probably all you're going to have to do, and that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. If that's still not working, you might want to see if ChatGPT is actually down. And you can do that by going to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com. One of these types of websites that shows you what's up and what's down, you want to look out for OpenAI or ChatGPT or something like that. And if it's down, then you're going to see it's down and you're just going to have to wait until they end up fixing it. So in terms of that, that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solon.